on this week's hot seat, we've got arguably one of the most underrated vocalists, actually, screw the province, the country. I mean, like, dude is bigger than the scene itself, but for some reason, he's not there yet. Let's see if we can push him up there. Me and you, we got this. Passion Master.
Sanibonani gogo, sanibonani Inside Mbombela podcast. Thank you for having me. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu ukuthi ningi-invite.
Dude, thanks for saying yes, and also thank you even more for moving it up, because the sooner value we get you out of the way, and now you can live your life from first time. The happier everybody is.
We all have homes and then we itolo, so I still wanna go namngoponda. Je nangibona Prada nje yaponda sona nabantu abakla.
Yangekho for a week now.
Yabo, namsengijahe ukuthi bongasela le ndlela.
Yangekho for a week, boy.
Because from symbol it's therapy.
It is therapy.
Yeah.
It is therapy.
Yeah.
It is therapy.